In this video, I'm going to dive into the Ant network, how it works, and whether it could compete with the Pi network. But before I jump in, please consider subscribing. It's no cost to you and you get notified on future videos that I make. The Ant network is very similar to the Pi network, B network, and timestope. You don't use any computing power to get the Ant coins, so it's basically like you're minting them. Right now you press a button every 24 hours to mine 1 Ant coin per hour. You also invite people to get a 20% bonus. At the beginning of their white paper, they say that their main goal is to get the advertising industry into the crypto world. They also go on to say that they want to create a social media network that doesn't collect user data. That would be nice. They also talk about how they want to create a video sharing website that distributes more money to creators. Now, what does this have to do with Antcoin? Well, the payments are done with Antcoin, so that would establish utility for the token. So, in other words, the Ant Network team has pretty big ambitions. There's also a payment feature already integrated in the app that allows you to send coins to other addresses. The Ant coin is also a TRC20 token, so you could potentially withdraw your Ant coins into an external wallet. Now, on to some of the aspects of the Ant network that are troubling. First of all, you can't reset your password due to an error in the system. This isn't a big red flag, but it's worth noting. Also, on their website, they say they can't publish their corporate address yet, even though they've been around since January of 2021. Their email address right now is creativeoffice39@gmail.com. Not very professional. Also, there's no privacy policy, so you don't know what the Ant network is doing with your data. And there's no faces behind the crypto. We don't know who the developers are. And now to the biggest red flag, paid upgrades. I mentioned this in the Eagle Network video that I made, and there were several comments talking about why is it such a big deal when you're only spending a couple of bucks. And here's why. It incentivizes the developers not to finish the project, and this is especially the case with the Ant network. Because which is easier, creating a whole new social media network and video sharing website that competes with Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, or to create an app to just get some money out of people? And there's no proof that the money generated goes to helping further along the project. All over the website you'll see that they aren't very transparent and that the information about the token is very surface level. They may be hoping for enough people that think the upgrades aren't that much of a dent to buy them so that they can just run out with some money. This is a big hit to the legitimacy of the project, so I would strongly suggest anyone considering this project not to buy any upgrades because there's no guarantee that you'll get your money back. Also, even if the developers were using the money to further along the project, it would still probably fail. Creating a whole new social media platform requires users, and they would be competing with giants like Facebook and Twitter. Also, the same goes for the video sharing platform. Since those projects are likely to fail, that failure would remove the utility of the coin and thus making it pretty much worthless. What if they do succeed? That's great, but there's almost like a 90% chance that they'll probably fail. Now with that, I'm going to dive into the actual app itself and show you around. Alright, I am now in the Antcoin app. As you can see right here, I'm currently mining. You press this button and then it'll start mining at a rate of 1 Antcoin per hour. You can see your team. Right now it's just me. And you can also stake your Ant coins. So you can stake certain amounts. I don't have enough yet. I only have like just over 100. Right here you can see the plans for halving the mining rate. So as more people join, the mining rate decreases. So at 500 million people, they're planning to decrease it to 0.5. Right here you can see the packages they have. This one is $5 and it goes all the way up to it goes all the way up to $99. You can see that on the website. Right here it has different updates, like the first halving, what is actually Antcoin. And so now you can go to this tab and you can see your total balance. So right now you can see your total balance, so you can see all the different times that I've earned Antcoin. On this tab you can see your team and you can ping people that are inactive. Right here it just shows you the price of different coins, and here you can see the wallet address. Right here, this is my wallet address right here. You can transfer coins, and then it just has links to the FAQ, white paper, Telegram, etc. So yeah, that's basically it for the app. In conclusion, I don't think you should spend much time with this project because it seems like it's pretty clear that it's not going to succeed because of its very lofty goals and because they have paid upgrades. All of that makes me not wanting to do it, and so I'm not going to have a referral code for this. But if you want, I'm sure there's many people in the comment section that will be sharing their codes, so you can use them if you want to get in on the Ant Network. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. On your screen right now is another video that you may like. Feel free to click that, or feel free to click the subscribe button. Have a great day.